Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you today?
I'd like to buy some fresh meat.
Of course, we have beef, chicken, lamb, and fish today. What would you prefer?
Let's start with some beef. Is it fresh?
Yes, ma'am. It was delivered this morning. Very fresh.
Great. Can you show me some cuts for stew?
Sure. Do you want boneless or bone-in?
Bone in, please. It gives more flavor.
Absolutely. Here are some nice stew cuts.
Looks good. How much per pound?
It's $6.50 per pound today.
A little pricey. Wasn't it cheaper last week?
Yes, ma'am. The wholesale price went up this week.
All right, give me 2 pounds, please.
Certainly.
Weighs the meat?
Here you go. Exactly 2 pounds.
Perfect. Do you also have chicken?
Yes, we have regular chicken and organic chicken.
What's the difference in price?
Regular is $2.50 per pound, and organic is $4.50 per pound.
Oh, that's quite a difference. Why so?
Organic chickens are free-range, no hormones, very healthy.
I see. Okay, I'll take 1 organic chicken, medium size.
Sure. This one is about 3 pounds. Is that okay?
Yes, please cut it into small pieces.
Right away, ma'am.
Do you clean it properly?
Yes, don't worry. Everything is washed and handled safely.
That's great. Do you sell lamb, too?
Yes, fresh lamb is right here.
How much is lamb per pound?
$8.99 per pound, ma'am.
Oh, that's expensive.
Yes, but it's very tender and delicious.
Okay, I'll take just 1 pound.
No problem. I'll prepare it for you.
Can you cut it for curry style?
Yes, medium pieces, right?
Exactly. Thanks.
My pleasure.
Do you also sell ground meat?
Yes, we have ground beef and ground chicken.
Perfect. I'll take some ground beef for burgers.
How much would you like?
1 pound, please.
Here you go. Freshly ground.
Looks perfect. Do you grind it here?
Yes, everything is ground fresh on site.
That's reassuring.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you also keep fish?
Yes, over there we have salmon, tilapia, and catfish.
Oh, nice. Is this salmon wild or farmed?
This one is wild caught from Alaska.
How much per pound?
$12.50 per pound today.
Pricey, but salmon is my favorite.
It's one of our best sellers.
Okay, I'll take half a pound.
Sure. Do you want it filleted?
Yes, please.
Certainly, ma'am.
Shopping here feels much easier than the supermarket.
Thank you. We try to keep it fresh and convenient.
That's great service.
We believe customers should be satisfied.
Do you also do home delivery?
Yes, we deliver within 5 miles.
Oh, wonderful. That saves me time.
Please take our business card with the phone number.
Sure, I'll keep it. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash, debit, credit, and mobile payments like Apple Pay.
Perfect. That's very convenient.
Exactly, ma'am.
How do you keep the meat fresh all day?
We store it in large refrigerators at the right temperature.
That's why it looks so good.
Yes, freshness is our priority.
Do you sell liver separately?
Yes, we have beef liver and chicken liver.
I'd like 1 pound of chicken liver.
All right, here you go.
Do you also have chicken feet?
Yes, many customers buy them for soup.
Oh, yes. My daughter loves chicken soup.
That's sweet.
How much are chicken feet?
$1.99 per pound.
Okay, give me 1 pound.
Done, ma'am.
You really have everything here.
We try to offer all cuts.
Do you also have discounts?
Yes, if you spend over $100, you get 10% off.
That's nice. Maybe next time.
Sure, ma'am.
Do you prepare marinated meat too?
Yes, we marinate chicken wings and drumsticks.
Ready to cook?
Exactly. Just bake or grill them.
That saves a lot of time.
Very popular with working families.
I'll take 1 pack of marinated wings.
Great choice.
By the way, what are your store hours?
We open at 9 a.m. and close at 8 p.m.
That's very convenient.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me the total bill?
Yes, one moment.
Sure, I'll wait.
Calculating. Beef, $13, chicken, $13.50, lamb, $8.99, ground beef, $6.50, salmon, $6.25, liver, $4, chicken feet, $2, wings, $7. Total, $61.24.
All right, that sounds good.
Would you like to pay cash or card?
I'll pay with my debit card.
Sure, you can insert or tap here.
Done.
Payment received. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you too. Everything looks great.
We appreciate your visit.
I'll definitely come again.
You are always welcome here.
Bye for now.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.